whatever we are given or whatever a person chooses to call a day. I myself use it the way that it is given to me because I don't have any other frame of reference that would make sense if I start trying to communicate with people. So I look out and they say, well, we have daylight now. And so we use the 24-hour cycle of saying that is a day. But in actual measurement of time of whatever created the universe or whomever created the universe, that might not be a day at all. Since I guess the ancient people considered day whenever they saw that the sun was rising or that it became light so that they could see without any artificial lighting, you might say. And then when it became dark, then they said, well, this day is going. This day is disappearing, and we are going into another day. And then they set certain numbers that would apply to when that actual crossover period came. From this day is now ended, and another day has begun. Now, this is done by people. But what in the order of the universe, whatever created the universe, that may not have really applied at all.
So
it
these
may
are
be very insignificant when you
are,
consider the number of suns and the number of stars that might be out there, and what time and space and all of these things to be considered. So it's all very scientific, and it goes beyond the comprehension of, I think, of most people. Like answering the question of what would it look like if you ran out of space. In other words, what does the absence of space look like? The total absence of space. If you travel beyond what they call time and space, what would that look like?
Yeah, that's
if you were looking and trying to measure it.